Hi everyone, Glama here. So I am coming on here. I'm a little bit frustrated though, but I'm happy to be here with you guys. But the reason I'm frustrated is I just got done filming like a 40-minute video. It was a Walgreens try-on haul, get ready with me type video where I tried everything on that I bought at Walgreens. And when I went back, because I can't tell that it wasn't focused because I'm just looking at a little tiny camera monitor, I couldn't tell that it wasn't in focus the whole time. So I'm so frustrated. So I don't know if I should upload it anyway, even though it's a little bit blurry, maybe quite a bit blurry, if y'all would want to see it, or if it would just frustrate y'all, or if you think I should try to recreate this look. This is the look that I did on the video. So I don't know if you would even be interested in seeing this eyeshadow look. And there's a few things that I bought, probably 5 or 6 things that I bought at Walgreens that I've got on my face. So I don't know if you'd even be interested in me refilming it, or if I should just upload the video that I've already been working on all day. I filmed it and then I've been editing it. But it's like, the whole time I was editing it, I was thinking I should just redo it. I should just redo it. It's blurry. But oh my word. So let me know what you think. Should I just upload the one I have, or should I try to recreate this look maybe tomorrow or the next day? Let me know. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. And if any of y'all have ever had the problem that I'm having with your Canon EOS Rebel T6i, where it just, the auto tracking won't stay on me, it just kind of like bounces around everywhere, let me know. And if it has happened to you, let me know what you did about it. Alright, bye.